I expect him to tell me mess.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is Dan's house.
Tommy mess from down in our place.
Yeah.
I saw a decorative thing for Leo Palace.
It's pretty epic. There's like tatami
so
floor and the doors that you can walk through, and windows that are made out of paper.
Upstairs where I sleep.
And it's got a pretty cool view.
Ugly.
And the door is too clever, so we can't get out there. But there's the view.
What?
That's
I don't
not
see
bad,
anybody
is
else
it?
try.
That's pretty cool.
And
then
2 bars for laundry.
Look at this place. Some mountains out there. So Dan lives in the mountains. Well, everywhere's mountains here, but in the countryside. And this is the downstairs. Okay, someone's made some kind of attempt at art here. It's just weird. I have a newspaper.
Hi, Jacob's video.
Okay. So we're here. This is our mountain home. He even has a table and a sofa, which is just luxury, really, and a massive kitchen.
Don't forget my ninja stars. I learned how to make ninja stars. I made this ninja.
So yeah.
Ninja Star. Nice.
This is
Wait, you need to put it because there's one missing.
what a house looks like.
Oh, cool. This was really bothering. Did you not notice that?
No,
It's been bothering me for like the 10 minutes I've been here.
Part of the waterfall. There are massive loads of monkeys at the top of this mountain. It's
so fucking scared. It's not funny.
It smells like monkey poo. It does kind of smell like a zoo, doesn't it? Look at the baby monkey!
Oh, look at the cute monkey! I see them again. Oh, look at the baby! Oh!
Jacob, look out!
I just nearly stood on a monkey. I literally almost stood on a monkey. Just swaggering through. Oh wow.
Oh my god.
It gets better.
That's how. I didn't even see that. That's how. This is flowing my mind. Knocking my ankles would take me out.
I want to live here with the monkeys and the waterfall. So we made it to the waterfall through the hordes of angry monkeys. We're here at the peak.
Trying to get the right angle here.
Oh my god, I'm so
I learned one thing.
famous.
Never startle a monkey. Especially when he's scratching the sack.
Oh yeah.
He gets angry. You don't want to startle him during that's his personal time.
Oh god.
What have you learned about monkeys, Dan?
They're really cool, and they're even cooler in person. Love them.
Talk about the monkeys.
Dan wants to steal a monkey.
Jenny was terrified.
I fucking hate animals.
She wants to forget about this whole trip.
I hate animals.
Oh, cute. Can I have a beer with me,
My
guys?
stupid thing keeps stopping the recording. Heather, what's your last few words?
Before we feed you to the monkeys.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, I almost stood on a monkey.
I almost got eaten by a monkey.
You got attacked, almost attacked.
He did.
Shout.
And I was like,
Yeah, loads of monkeys around basically. And the waterfall. And we got some cool photos.
the waterfall got totally overlooked by the monkeys. We were so excited by monkeys. By the time we got to the waterfall, we're like, yeah,
Whoa.
that's neat. I think is this the cafe?
Okay, we're just filming our
Yeah.
faces. Okay, so here we
Right here.
go. So,
Right here. Here. This one. Here. Right here.
what?
Right here.
Here?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Right here.
So
You might
that's
wanna
all for
stop
now.
your car.
More conversation on our exploits. You'll be updated with how the coffee is
I know
at this
you
little
can't
cafe.
wait.
Bye. So the cafe
Fail.
fail. It cost £3 for a coffee, and Jenny decided that was
yen.
too expensive for her.
She's gonna freaking kill you. She probably will.
She already-
In your sleep. She is gonna slit your throat in your sleep, just so you know.
Well,
Yeah, because you roll over next
you know what?
to her.
I love that we have Jenny because it makes it look like in all our photos that we have a Japanese friend.
Oh my god, you went there! Nico! You went there!
What? Don't!
Oh my god!
Everyone's gonna think I have a Japanese friend. I'm gonna tell them all I do.
Oh, Jacob! Oh my god.
Her name is Jenny.
Jenny!
No, Jenny's okay because it already ends in a vowel.
Jenny!
Okay, he's
Jenny.
going crazy. Do you think he's going fast?
We almost just died. We almost just died.
No, we didn't. We did not almost just die. We're absolutely fine.
Dan is like...
Dan is driving like a loon on purpose.
I'm not.
Because he had the...
slow on the way.
Yeah,
I know.
following me, he couldn't keep up with me. Now he's driving like a knob on purpose.